In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix ChatGPT streaming interrupted. 2026. Full guide. If your responses keep freezing or the stream stops mid-sentence, start by confirming it isn't a platform-wide problem. Open a new tab and visit status.openai.com. As of May 18th, 2026, all core services are fully operational, which means if you're still getting interrupted streams, the issue is almost certainly on your side. Usually your browser profile, extensions, or network path. Next, run the quickest isolation check. Incognito mode. Open a private window with Control plus Shift plus N on Windows or Linux, or CMD plus Shift plus N on a Mac. Log in and try a simple prompt. If ChatGPT streams smoothly here, that points to something in your main browser profile. Ad blockers, tracking protection, or script stoppers can misread real-time token streaming as risky traffic. Go back to your regular window and temporarily disable extensions, then re-enable them one by one to pinpoint the culprit. If that doesn't clear it up, perform a targeted reset of your site data without wiping your entire history. In Chrome or Edge, click the three dots, open settings, then privacy and security. Choose third-party cookies, then see all site data and permissions. Use the search box to find entries for OpenAI and ChatGPT. Click the trash can next to each to remove stale cookies or corrupted session tokens. Return to your ChatGPT tab and do a hard refresh with Control plus F5 on Windows or CMD plus Shift plus R on Mac. This forces a clean reload of scripts and assets while keeping you signed in elsewhere. Still seeing interruptions right after you hit send? Your prompt might be too large or complex, causing timeouts. Break big tasks into layers. First, paste your core reference material and say, review this documentation block for context, but do not process it yet. Reply only with awaiting instructions. Once the model acknowledges, follow up with the specific analysis or formatting you want. This approach reduces initial compute load and stabilizes streaming. Finally, verify your network path. Disable any active VPNs or proxies, since shared endpoints can trigger protective loops or packet drops that cut off streaming. As a cross-check, log in on the official mobile app using cellular data instead of your Wi-Fi. If it works there, the disruption likely comes from your local router firewall or your provider's DNS handling the stream poorly. By methodically ruling out platform outages, browser conflicts, cached site data, oversized prompts, and network constraints, you'll restore smooth, continuous streaming and get back to work faster.